We just finished up another project on Rock Run Drive, which is in Peters Township. And I love that we're kind of taking over the Hidden Brook neighborhood because I think this is our 4th project in that neighborhood, which is kind of great because the floor plan that we worked with for these homeowners is one that we've seen several times before, but we did something totally different for them. The top priority for this family was to take down the wall between the kitchen and dining space. So we did that and we moved the kitchen into the dining room, made the kitchen way bigger. And one of the things that allowed for a lot more cabinetry space was that we eliminated the 2 windows that were in the dining room. Now we could have a whole wall of cabinets on that side, beautiful hood with the range, and that end of the room is a beautiful focal point. This family knew that they wanted a drywall pantry, so we kind of built them the perfect size closet for all of their pantry space. It fits in perfectly to the side corner, which is on the run of the range wall, and it allows for lots of organized storage inside. Since we took down the wall, we had to address the flooring, and we chose these beautiful wide plank engineered hardwood floors that go all throughout, except for in the family room. They wanted to keep that cozy with carpet, but they've got beautiful white oak floors in the rest of the space. And one of the best features of the whole kitchen is this beautiful, massive island. They chose a really, really dark charcoal color. It's called iron ore. I love that color. I actually have it in my dining room right now. It's dark enough, but it's not black. It really kind of is a beautiful backdrop for the hardware they chose. And if you'll notice, they chose different hardware on the island than they did for the perimeter cabinets. Because we took out 2 windows in the old dining room, we wanted to give them lots of natural light, so we enlarged the window space above the kitchen sink, which really gives them a beautiful view to the backyard. They can keep an eye on the kiddos, and it lets in lots of natural light. For all the cabinets, we used our oak and pillar line, which is wonderful because we can make them exactly how we want them. And we were able, in this case, to build some beautiful break front cabinets, which are behind the seating at the island. And break front cabinets are just cabinets that kind of go all the way down and then sit on the counter. In this case, it's great because they can open the door and they can put in small appliances, they can put their coffee maker in there. It's really great storage and easily accessible. The cabinetry above the break front cabinets are these beautiful glass cabinets, and glass cabinets are really fun, but the only downside is that you kind of have to put something pretty in there because people are going to see it, so then you kind of lose storage. So I love glass cabinets and they really have a special moment, but we try to be kind of intentional about where we use it so people don't lose storage, but they still have pretty places to display their favorite items.